Would you like to enhance your vocabulary? Do you use very beautiful, very thin, very happy, very dull, very, very? Do you think if you use very many times they sound better? No, right? So, I have given you many substitutes to replace the word very. Play this video many times and practice. Very happy, what do you say? Ecstatic, blissful, jubilant. Very fast, rapid, very bright, radiant, very strong, powerful, very cold, freezing, frigid, icy, very hot, scorching, sweltering, searing, very old, ancient, time-worn, very small, tiny, minuscule, very big, enormous, very tasty, delicious, savory, delectable, very scared, terrified, petrified, very clean, immaculate, pristine, very dirty, filthy, very friendly, amicable, cordial, very loud, deafening, thundering, very good, excellent, very expensive, extravagant, lavish, very cheap, inexpensive, very brave, fearless, valiant, very kind, compassionate, benevolent, very poor, destitute, impoverished, very rich, wealthy, opulent, very dark, pitch black, obsidian, very bright, vivid, very clear, transparent, very muddy, murky, very wet, drenched, very dry, arid, very noisy, clamorous, boisterous, very important, crucial, vital, very tired, exhausted, fatigued, very messy, chaotic, very heavy, hefty, very quiet, hushed, serene, very beautiful, exquisite, captivating, very ugly, hideous, very angry, furious, very sad, despondent, very young, youthful, very big, gigantic, very funny, hilarious, very calm, tranquil, placid, very sour, tart, very shallow, superficial, very tall, towering,